Lesson 10 Avani and the Pea Plant.
Hi children, good morning to all. How are you? Okay, hope you are fine and safe at home. So we were discussing our 10th chapter. What's the name of the chapter? Yes, Avani and the Pea Plant. So yesterday we were discussing the summary of this lesson. In this lesson they are talking about how a new plant grows in Avani's garden. You know children, trees are very important in our life because we need oxygen to live. From where we will get the oxygen? Of course, we will get the oxygen from the trees. And trees give us shade. It also shelter for animals and birds. We are using different parts of a tree as food. So the trees are very important in our life in many ways. So children, today we can read the lesson, our 10th lesson. We can read it together. And after that I will explain the story. So let us start.
So children, let us start lesson 10 Avani and the Pea Plant. We have already finished the exercise. Get started. Now I will read the lesson. It was Sunday morning. Avani sat at the kitchen table. She was watching her mother cook. Amma got the cooker ready. So children, you will also sit with your mom in the kitchen and helping your mom, is it? So like that. It was Sunday morning. Our Avani sat at the kitchen table. She was watching her mother cook. Why Amma got her cooker ready? Because she wants to make the food. So what do you mean by Amma, children? Amma means in South India, some children call their mother as Amma. In Kerala, mostly in Kerala, we will our mother as Amma. And what do you mean by cooker? Cooker is very familiar to you. Avani, please give me the peas, Amma said. Amma asked Avani to give the peas. In the previous class, we have seen the picture of a pea. Pea is a vegetable. Avani took a bowl of dried peas from the kitchen table and gave it to Amma. One pea fell out of the bowl. Avani and Amma did not see it. Avani took a bowl of dried peas from the kitchen table and gave it to Amma. What do you mean by bowl? Bowl means a round deep dish or basin. So our Avani took a bowl of dried peas from the kitchen table and gave it to Amma. Children, did you help your mother in the kitchen? What was Avani doing in the kitchen? Yes, she was watching her mother cook. So, one pea fell out of the bowl. Avani and Amma did not see it. So, when she gave the bowl to her mom, one pea fell out from the bowl. But our Avani and Amma did not see that. The pea bounced on the table, onto the floor and rolled under the table. Chicky the kitten found it. She pushed it. She tried to lick it. The pea rolled out from under the table. Chicky pushed it again. Now it rolled into the garden. The pea bounced on the table. What do you mean by bounce? Bounce means move quickly up, back or away from a surface. Here our pea bounced on the table onto the floor. And who saw that? Yes, our Chicky the kitten found it. And she pushed it and she tried to lick it. What do you mean by lick? Lick means taste anything using the tongue. So our Chicky pushed it and tried to lick it. The pea rolled out from under the table and it rolled into the garden. So how the pea reached the garden? Our Chicky pushed it and pushed it again. That's why the pea reached the garden. In the garden, a myna saw the pea. She pecked at it with her beak. But it was too hard. She picked at it again. The pea jumped up and landed near a tomato plant. In the garden, a myna saw the pea. She pecked at it with her beak. What do you mean by peck? Peck means bite or hit or pick with the beak. So the Myna pecked at it with her beak, but it was too hard. Couldn't pick that. She pecked at it again. She tried again. The pea jumped up and landed near a tomato plant. At that time, the pea jumped up and landed. What do you mean by landed? Landed means came down through the air and rested somewhere. So the pea jumped up and landed near a tomato plant. So which bird pecked at the pea, children? Yes, a Myna pecked at the pea. Why did it peck at the pea? Because it was hungry and wanted to eat it. That's why she tried to peck at the pea. Near the plant, an earthworm was sleeping in a hole. When the pea landed with a plop, the earthworm woke up. It came out of its hole and looked at the pea. Then it crawled away. The pea rolled and slipped into the hole and got covered by loose soil. So children, near the plant, an earthworm was sleeping in a hole. Who was there? Yes, an earthworm was sleeping in a hole. When the pea landed with a plop. What do you mean by plop? Yes, a short sound. So the pea landed with a plop. After hearing the sound, the earthworm woke up. It came out of its hole and looked at the pea. Then it crawled away. What do you mean by crawl? C-R-A-W-L. Crawl means move forward on the hands and knees or by dragging the body down to the ground. Do you know, children, how the babies are moving? Yes, they are crawling. The pea rolled and slipped into the hole and got covered by loose soil. The pea again rolled and slipped, fell into the hole, and it was covered by loose soil. So children, what woke up the earthworm? Yes, the pea landed with a plop. That sound woke up the earthworm. Why did it come out of its hole? Do you know? Yes, after hearing the sound, it come out of its hole. What is happening there? He want to know what is happening there. Can you guess what the earthworm eats? Yes, it eats dirt, dirty things. Why do you think it crawled away? It was not interested to eat the pea because yes, it was not its food. That's why it crawled away. How did the hole form there? The earthworm had made the hole. Where did the pea finally come to rest? Yes, the pea finally came to rest in the hole made by the earthworm. See children, look at the top of the page. There is one question. Complete this sentence. When the bird picked the pea, it landed near a dash. Where is it landed? Yes, it landed near a tomato plant. So in the blank you should write the tomato plant. There it rested in the cool, dark soil. The days passed. Soon the rains came. The pea got wet. It grew and it grew a little more. It got a tail and a crown. The crown shot out of the ground and tried to reach for the sun. It grew taller and taller and taller. So children, we discussed the pea was covered by loose soil and it rested in the soil. And the days passed and it got wet from the rain. And it started to grow. It got a tail and crown. The crown came out of the ground to get the sunlight. Children, do you know what are the things need a seed to grow? Yes, a seed needs the things like soil, sunlight and water to grow. So it got water from the rain and it want to get the sunlight. That's why it came out of the ground to get the sunlight. So children, what did the pea seed do inside the hole? It rested and rested. From where did it get the water to grow? from the rain. In what ways did the pea begin to change? Yeah, it got a tail and a crown and it began to grow. What happened to the crown? It came out of the ground and it tried to reach the sun to get the sunlight. So when she was playing in the garden, Amma, look here, she said. A pea plant, said Amma. Both of them looked at the pea plant. They were surprised. Did you plant it? Amma asked Avani. No, Amma, I did not. Didn't you plant it? Asked Avani. Amma shook her head. Then who planted it? They wondered. You know who planted it? Don't you? Avani and her mother saw a new pea plant in the garden and they are asking each other who planted that. They want to know who planted the pea plant in their garden. So children, what had the little pea become? Finally, the little pea became a tall pea plant.
Let us discuss the new words with its meanings from lesson 10. Lesson 10, Avani and the pea plant. New words. First one, Amma. Amma is not a new word for you. It's very familiar. Spelling A-M-M-A. Amma means in South India like Kerala, some children call their mothers as Amma. So Amma means in South India, some children call their mothers as Amma. And the second one is cooker. What is spelling of cooker? C-O-O-K-E-R. In the textbook, you can see the picture of a cooker. Cooker means an appliance used for cooking food. Cooker means an appliance used for cooking food. And the third one, peck. Spelling P-E-C-K. Peck means bite or hit or beat with the beak. In this lesson, we read the Maina pecked the pea with its beak. So peck means bite. Another meaning hit or beat with the beak. And the fourth one, lantern. L-A-N-D-E-D. Lantern. Lantern means came down through the air and rested somewhere. Came down through the air and rested somewhere. You must write these new words with its meanings in your English notebook. And today we will discuss to read the lesson 10, Avani and the pea plant. You must read the lesson at least 3 times from your home and you must write and study the new words and you must understand the meanings of the new words. And in the next class we will discuss the question answers and one listening activity from lesson 10. So we can wind up this session. We can meet in the next classroom. Till then, take care. Bye.